At the moment, anyway, so it's fine.
Whatever was loud.
Right. So
Okay.
basically, one person is the murderer. Has a chainsaw. We've only played this once before, so we're not really 100%.
Twice.
But then basically, or twice. But there's keys, there's little cog things, there's random bits
There's a
around the
gun.
house. You've got to find the clues and work together to get out of the house. And the murderer has got to stop you. Okay.
Happy days.
Okay.
So that's
Where do we go? We die out here.
If you die, you come out here.
If you die, I think you come out here. Yeah.
And you can press blocks like this
The
to still look
boxes
inside.
and look through the windows and still talk. I think. If you click the
cool.
boxes,
Yeah.
you'll be able to look through these windows and see the murderer or getting chased or something.
Okay, so Spike.
If you try
Let's go.
Oh, what the hell?
Yep, let's go. We press play. Ooh.
I can hear a chainsaw!
I didn't know what to do with it.
It will say use and press the trigger button to use it. Whatever matching colour. To match the colours, basically.
Do you actually look like this?
Okay. I couldn't get away from him. He was like, it cornered me every time.